To add Trust Wallet to Kiwi browser, start by opening the Kiwi browser app on your device. Navigate to the Trust Wallet website by typing in the URL or searching for it. Once you are on the Trust Wallet website, click on the Add to Browser button. You will be prompted to confirm the addition of Trust Wallet to Kiwi browser. Confirm the addition by selecting the correct option. After confirming, you will see a pop-up that says Trust Wallet has been successfully added to your browser. Next, to access Trust Wallet, you need to go to the Kiwi browser settings. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser window and select Extensions. You will see Trust Wallet listed in the extensions list. To use Trust Wallet, click on the Trust Wallet icon in the extensions list. This will open the Trust Wallet interface. Within the Kiwi browser, you can now use Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrency and interact with decentralized applications. To ensure secure and seamless use of Trust Wallet with Kiwi browser, always keep your browser and Trust Wallet extension up to date. Regularly review and update your wallet's security settings, such as two-factor authentication and password protection. By following these steps, you can easily add Trust Wallet to Kiwi browser and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency and decentralized applications. Remember to always prioritize security and best practices when using cryptocurrency wallets and browsers.